What's good, DJ? Good afternoon. It's Wednesday, June 11th. The time is currently 1:17 p.m. PM session. We're ready. We ready. We ready. Let's go. Arrived at my desk, I'll say, well, like 1:16, 1:15 around there. My alarm went off at 1:15, so I'll say like 1:16. Um, as always, my weekly target is 5%, and my daily goal is $500, which we've hit on one account already. We'll talk about it in a second, DJ. Not exactly that, but it's close enough for me. For a day's work. Mental check-in, feeling pretty good. Excited to see what PM session has in store for us today. Excited to grow and get 1%, but I don't like the look of this shit here, so I'm just gonna have to rough it out with the natural. Yeah. So yeah, excited to grow and get 1% better. Risk disclaimer, I accept any risk that comes with trading today. I understand that trading comes with real risk and that losing is part of the game. We do have news this PM session, 2 p.m. Even if we didn't have this PM session news, we've had news today, okay? So still makes it an optimal day to trade. It's even better than now that we have news, okay? So we'll see what that 2 p.m. medium impact news brings. Risk going into today, which is now I guess determine risk is kind of like, is it really necessary? Depending on where we're at in the zone, what kind of trade it is. I'll know what risk we're in. But we have 5 anyway, okay, for pro trend trade and 3 for counter trend trade. So that's pro trend trade in its zone. Yeah. In the opposite zone is a 3 as well. So that's how risk will be determined moving forward. Weekly condition going to this week was a buy program. Nothing's really happened in price since we've been away to change that for me. Dollar still tanking. We're still in risk on scenario. This was the alert to let me know to move to break even. Oh, cool. MNQ. Still, yep. Nothing's really happened in price to change anything whatsoever for me. Delete this back again. No highs and lows from the morning and get ready for PM session kickoff. At 1:30, go about 10 minutes. Still in the trade that we left, DJ. As you can see, we got to, what was it, 30s? We got to break even here. Okay, then we got to first partial. All right, and then obviously failed to get us out at our terminus, but we're still in the trade. So beauty. Yeah, that's this account done for the day. Let's do this. So let's see up here. Yeah, well, up here would be hitting -1. Yeah, and solid. Makes sense. Yeah, what I wanted to see was this. Bear with me, DJ. 1 second. I watched this happen. I just want to confirm something. Oh no. 2, 3, 4. Fourth candle by value gap here. And the C would have been tagged in it, probably not. So yeah, she wouldn't have been able to capitalize on this move. No way. Unless here. I see you. Still on a discount. So yeah, buy model 2. When we take that buy side here, that's how you could have. Oh, okay, that was a trade. Yeah, I was looking at this and I'm like, okay, so it doesn't give me an opportunity to jump on board on this buy here and discount. That doesn't make any sense after taking opening range sell side. But yeah, we get a buy model 2. Beautiful. Stop either here or here. Oh, shoot. -6 been smashed. Yeah, this was the pro trend trade of the morning there. Yeah. Well, it was lunch really and truly. Morning didn't give us an opportunity. But anyway, that was lunch session. I just wanted to confirm something here and see how I could have partook in this move because when I was looking at it, there was no like model one, buy model one entry. And this was the one I was sold, but I was like, yeah, we probably wouldn't have been tagged. And then even one minus wouldn't have tagged the low of this as well. 3.6, so you'd be looking at 3.7. Yeah, it doesn't tag you in. Oh, 3.6. Yeah, 3.7. Oh yeah, it would tag you in there actually. One minus it, yes. If you minus it one from well adding 1.7. Yeah, would have tagged you in if you had the +1. But I need to get back on that +1 thing, you know. I mean, either way, if you missed it here, okay, we had buy model 2 in a discount. So yeah, this was brilliant, brilliant, sexy trade. This was the trade of the or the pro trend trade, you know, because we're in a buy program, so we're anticipating buys and discounts. Mhm. Yeah. Anyway, let's go on with before I thought I had ample time, but now the time is catching up to me. Anyway, so enough of that. Uh, but DJ, I'm a new trader out here in these streets. What the heck? So AM session is the same. We already have okay. AM session is the opening range sell side on that. Then AM session is okay. So we have 11 and 12. Launch isn't being confirmed yet, so still good on that. And this would turn into this turn into regular. Still in the same dealing range from this morning, so we're all set there. Just going to do our times and we'll be set to go. And get a snapshot of the daily range. For my journal, even though this is my journal, I didn't post this morning. Go news at 2 p.m. All right, we're ready for PM session to kick off then. Well, we give it the time it needs. Told me you were ready. Opening bell for PM session. Oh, I don't know why I keep saying opening bell for that. Hey, hey, hey. PM session kicking off. Today is Wednesday, June 11. Session. I don't think of a name, but I can't think of it right now. But let's pay attention here. We don't have any zones where we're at, so. This is the trade I've been waiting for. This account is done for the day anyway. But we'll stay here and see what the trade is saying. We're trying to come up with a name for this morning's session journal. We both don't think about it too much. Just type something and be done. Public. Right now, it's not about the title and stuff, description and shit. You know what I'm saying? Anyway, now we can focus here. I actually wanted to know how many ticks. The highest point, how many ticks did it give me? 520. That's so in my low probability trading zone. I see. I changed it to no trade, no trading to low probability. Pay attention to it all regardless. Like that. Let's see, just invert it, keep price higher. Now we have potentially another cell forming here. Well, until this low goes, this inversion still stands. But there's nothing for me to do here in this low probability zone we're in. I don't like low probability share. Do have a cell there. I wonder if it's going to give me my second partial. That would be crazy, isn't it? That would be an all-day trade type share. So, hope for that done for. Two, three, four. Could have something here on the 1 minute as well. Let's see how this candle closes though. We do have on the 30 and the 15 seconds. Boom, boom, boom. 2, 3, 4. Fourth candle. And last entry point there. 1 minute. Look like we're going to close it up, innit? See, we go 15 seconds. Have faith. Yep, there it is. Yeah. It wasn't a complete misjudgment. No. I was busy the other day. No, first busy, but first relevant busy in terms of trade wise. 150 macro, we've come into this buying discount, so let's see. Nothing for us to do here anyway. Now it's about if second partial is gonna get hit or not, or whether we'll get approach and trade. Well, lunch is about to be confirmed in about, what's that, 6 minutes. So let's see if this right now is the same. I don't know, it's all the same. Let's see if that changes in the next 5 minutes. Um, 12. News coming out in less than 2 minutes. So let's get it ready then. 1 and 12. Oh, it's already AM session on that time from anyway. Yeah, it's already on there. Confirmed. Okay. Post news. On trend trade. Give it to me, I'll take it. Looking like we're going to 30 seconds here. Order filled. All right, no, we're staying on 15 seconds. Accept the risk here. 150. Order filled. Okay, thank you very much. Thank you very much. Quickly. All right, no worries. We'll be back. PM session ain't over. Mhm. Are you gonna give it to me or what, bro? Because we're taking sell side right here. Yeah, buy. I'll be interested. Not gonna lie. Order filled. Thank you very much. Let's go to my pro trend trade because I will be anticipating something here. Breaking out the dealing range to the sell side, taking London session sell side. We in PT, yes, we in PT. Yeah, it's fair. Let's see what the real -2 is down here. Oh, B was 725. That would be getting smashed. -2 getting smashed at the original. I went this way. Do have sell side below that for a trade though. On yesterday's so that's what I'm seeing. This yeah, let's try to turn through. Hey, pay attention. Hey. 2, 3. Oh my god. Yeah. Tiny. 2, 3, 4. This is the post news trade, right? No, right? Order filled. Why are we in there? Except the risk here. This will be the last trade of the day for this account because 357, that would take me to 457 down. I'm saying, let's make sure sell stop is 100, 100. It's 9. Now 8 down. It's me. Wishful thinking here, isn't it, Bob? Let's see. 5. I can't even make that much if I wanted to. Seriously. I'm going on that. Oh, misjudgment of that. Complete misjudgment. Still another ad. In a tough level. Real tough. whatever happens here, this is the last trade of the day for me. So if we're taking out, I'll stay till maybe maybe, yeah, let's see what 250, 310 micro has. Order filled. Thank you. No qualms with that. Perfectly good trade. This is actually the trades I'm looking for. So anywho, let's see if this keeps price down. And that'll be it for us today, DJ. That will be it. Second partial, third partial is all the way down here. Don't know what that one is following. What else from the morning? We were taking out already, but I'll keep it there. Yeah. Post news, this was up here. Well, 2, 3, 4. All right, no worries, no qualms, no worries. Fair enough. Fair trade. I'm gonna win them all. Even if it gives me a setup here. Nothing I can do about it, but just tape read. Pretty much that's what I'm restricted to. Right here, taking PM session sell side from yesterday, Tuesday. Yeah. Open range, buy side and sell side. Show me. Oh, show me. 1:30. Excuse me, 2 p.m. Excuse me. Which is happening right now, isn't it? Two p.m. Well, I thought it was happening, but it ain't happening. It's doing this down. 2, 3, 4. Nothing on that time frame. 2, 3. Show me what you do. Scratch that. He said, scratch that. What? He said, what? He said, I'm going where? Nothing there, nothing there. That was a fair loss, man. That was a fair loss. This is actually the kind of trades I'm looking for. Break out the dealing range into liquidity. Well, the liquidity was inside of the dealing range. No, I don't think that makes a difference. Nah, it's a fair loss there. Nothing I can do about that. I'm not mad about that one. I'll take those over and over again. I'm going to do a trade performance review since I no longer have the capabilities to take a trade, even if I wanted to take a trade. We'll be going against everything I've worked hard for. So I'm going to do a trade performance review. That way I know I'm done trading. I don't know about you, but I know I'm done trading for the day. Oh, it's a quick little buy right here. Show me what you do. Anyway, what I did well this PM session ended really quickly though. Um, Showed up. I'm not done with the PM session, but I've showed up. Got 1% better, gained experience, learned lessons. Okay, took losses, took W's, and out of both of them, I learned lessons out of both of them. Okay, so learned more from the loss though. From the win too, actually. Pleased and happy with myself today, my performance. I followed my procedures, my protocols, my model. I let the trade management do the job. The trader showed up today and she did her job. 2, 3, 4. If this fourth candle here is involved in a fair value gap, it will be a solid buy. 2, 3, 4. And if we get busy confirmed in the next how many seconds? 30 seconds buy here. We'll track that. Yep, 30-second buy confirmed. If we get a busy here on the 1 minute with this candle, be a 1 minute buy as well. Show me what you do. Got 30 more seconds on that. Nope. He said nope, 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 nope. But 30 seconds to give it to you though. Wherefore short this PM session. You know what? I would say post to this one, this trade here was maybe I would say maybe a little bit rushed because we're gonna talk through it, and we're gonna talk through it. Yeah. I'm fine with it. Like I have no qualms. It's perfectly good trade, but post news, right? Maybe I should give it some time after the news, right? 2 p.m. news came out we're in discount, swing low, I mean key low, swing low, displacement, fair value gap, fair trade. But just give the news time, I guess, right? Post. After the news comes out, what happens? It really sets up a sell in the 1 minute anyway. So yeah, what I felt sure would be potentially in the chart wise, this trade here, okay. I don't know, maybe that maybe I was too rushed, right? I said post news, yeah, it's post news fair, but like it needs a 15 seconds try. We'll do that, right? I'll say let's just give it some time after the news, you know, let it do its thing and then anticipate the setup, not right at the news. But I'll collect the data on it and see. But for now, let's give it, from what I've seen so far, let's give it time and then let the news do its thing. Maybe that trade was a bit rushed on my end there. But yeah, anywho, show me. And 15-second buy happening right here. This was potentially the trade I was waiting for, but we post 215 it happened to take in open range sell side. Yeah, this was it. Potential buy here on the 1 minute. Definitely confirmed in here. Yeah, so No matter what you do or you tell, loss you take, it don't matter, baby girl. You're gonna be fine. Yeah. So I would say that trade was a bit rushed on my end there. Um, now is a test of this BISI turn SIBI turn inversion. I don't want to say SIBI, but anyway, let's see if it keeps price lower, or let's see this buy set up here in discount. What we've been waiting for all day holds up. 5 minutes setting up a buy. Yeah, 1 minute buy right here. So yeah, this was the trade I was waiting for post 215 after taking open range sell side. So once this trade, we're talking about, well, we talk about why I felt sure, how I can improve for next trading session. This is part of that aspect of our performance review. Once this trade was a bust, right? This was my 130 to 210 time frame to take a trade. Once that trade was a bust, fair, let it go. Wait till post the next time slot, available time slot, time period to take a trade, which is post 215. If I did that, I wouldn't have got in here. And even if this ended up being the trade and I missed it, I would have had to be okay with it because I already took a loss in this time period. And then wait till the next setup, the next time period to take a trade. All right, I can start implementing that now. Show me. So how I can improve for next trading session is what we're on about here. Okay, so keep doing what I've been doing, keep following the procedures, the protocols, the model, the processes that I've set in place. Okay, don't let short-term adversity deviate. All right, keep learning from the losses, okay, because that's how you get better and that's how you improve. Whenever you take a loss, analyze the trade. Obviously, not all losses can be avoided, but some, our goal here is to mitigate as many losses as we can and not take as many losses as we can. Losses are part of the game, okay? They're the only thing promised to us. What we can do is manage it, all right, and try to learn from the losses that we take, right? So that's what I'm doing. This is just a 1 minute buy here, so let's see how that holds up until this low goes. I'm still good with the buys. Show me. Oh, this is holding up, right? Because until this high goes, this is still valid. And that's the next part for me. Like, um, yeah, very happy with my performance. Yeah. You have a sell, so let's see if it turns into a buy. Because we are on discount. Put my card in here. Yes. She keep price higher. Show me. First, partial. Even though I wasn't able to partake in this trade, I'm so happy and pleased I was able to identify it, witness it, watch it. All right, do exactly as I wanted to see it do. Okay, I was just a bit too early on that trade there. I thought this was it. Obviously, after taking open range, sell side, that was then it, innit? So yeah, learn something from this from this price action anyway. 2, 3, 4, I rally up there. Not just from 1 minute buy as well, not from the from just from this from this loss that I took here in this trade here. So yeah, if I wasn't, max drawn out on my balance there, then I would have participated in this trade here. But I was, so we got to watch it, came close to stop loss, but didn't take us out. Now it's giving us first partial, and then will be a break even. Let's see what else it offers us while we're here. Even this right here. So my understanding of price action is like getting up there, which I like. I'm still in the beginning phase, so I'm not gonna capitalize on each and every move, which is fine, and I accept that, okay? Except that I'm gonna have a lot of losses, especially now anyway, as I get accustomed to my processes, my routines. I welcome them. But not for too long though, you hear me? You stay for a little bit because I'm a nice person and my mother taught me manners. But when I'm ready, you gotta go. Be gone. Obviously, I'm not gonna completely get rid of the losses. They're always gonna be there. Just gonna be less impactful. I'm gonna care about them less and less. Like even now, I feel myself caring about them less and less, which is good. It's a good place to be. Just because I know, the opportunity is there to get it back. I'm able to see it. Oh my goodness. Show me what you do. $250 micro about to kick off soon. See what it has in store for us. Once it's done, we'll be done here. Wait, my watch tells me to stand up right at the macro time frames. Who said that shit out? Show me. Break even on our trade be right here. All right, you began taking out that break even there, so give you one partial. Better than nothing in it, better than a loss in it. Probably would have made up for the loss that we took, so that would have been that. Fine, solid the trade. Now you just go for took my guy. You go over took my guy. About 300 difference. About to close it up shop for the day. The next 5 minutes. Steady on. Right till we close, yeah. Excuse me. Going over the count. Just because I'm more inspired by that than the other one, you know what I'm saying? Excuse me. Not inspired, but I get revved up more by that than the other. I go, ooh, I gotta get better. I need to get better. Excuse me, goddamn. Got the case of the hiccups. Are we getting it here? Yep, that's a solid buy. Solid buy still during the micro and discount. On the 15 to 30 seconds as well. All right, DJ. Trying to see if this trade will do give us something, take us out, or first partial anyway, but nothing seems to be happening. But anyway, news tomorrow at 8:30, 8:30, 10:30, 4:30. All right, we got news tomorrow. Okay, so makes an optimal day to take a trade, PPI in the morning. So we'll see what tomorrow has in store for us. Excited to grow and get 1% better. But DJ, that's it for my afternoon session. We saw a continuation of the morning trade sale that hit our second partial, and we took some losses on the pro trend trade, but we see where the trades are at though for the pro trend trades. We see you, we see you, we see you. This one at least would have given us for one partial, break us out at even. If we had the pleasure of being in this one, we still would be in this one. Do believe this one is it though. I have high hopes for this trade. Just because it was so clean. And it's still drawing a macro. But we don't hope trade here. Having high hopes don't mean shit. Well, it's a beautiful setup though. Market structure shift along. Well, not before we came in actually. Well, yeah. Market structure shift right here. All right, DJ. That's it. That's it. That's it. That's how we're ending our day. We're down 514 on one account and up about $800, 796 on the other. We'll stay on here because someone I'm more motivated by that. I don't know what it is, but that just grinds my gears. Ugh. I hate ending it like that, but hey, I have to do what I have to do. But anyway, good day of trading, all right, and getting better, growing, finding myself in these markets, adapting to the market, sticking to my procedures and protocols. Overall, I'm very happy and pleased with my performance. I think, like I've been saying, there's a new trader right here in front of you, DJ. It's a new goddamn trader in front of you. And the results speak for themselves right now, okay? Let the results speak. Yeah, no worries, no worries. No worries. We'll be back. We'll be back. Slow and steady, slow and steady, slow and steady wins the race. Slow and steady, not study. What am I saying? Study. Slow and steady, steady, steady. Brrr. Take me to the chart, man. Take me to the chart, man. Take me to the chart, man. Say me too. We'll talk about it tomorrow if it does anything or if it does something worth noting, I'll bring it back tomorrow and we can talk about it. But if not, then it is what it is. We'll be back tomorrow, a whole new day. All right, whole new lessons, whole new experiences, whole new levels and whole new growth. All right, but that'll be it for me. This PM session, I'm done. All right, I've hit all my max. This is maxed out, and this is maxed out. So there's nothing. There's no point in me sitting in front of the charts. Sitting here long enough already. To see that this trade ain't gonna pan out how I wanted to, but yeah, overall, I'm very happy and pleased with my performance today, DJ. As I said, won't change anything. Don't regret anything. Very, very happy and pleased that I stuck with my protocols and my procedures of I hit my max drawdown. That's it for the day. I could have easily took this trade here, okay, but I didn't. I taped read it, okay, because it's about being disciplined, okay, exercising the discipline muscle in you still would be in this trade, by the way, but it's about exercising that discipline muscle and sticking to the rules and the plan of my account and not, breaking it and not stepping outside of that, regardless of what happens. So I'm very happy and pleased with where I'm at in my trading and the journey so far. It's only up from here, and I'm very happy. Like right now, I'm such in a calm space, like in my trading, that it's just like it's so beautiful. It's amazing when you get like just getting a glimpse of how it's gonna be for me. It's just like more days like this, you know? Obviously, I'm still gonna take the losses. I've been taking L's. That's fine. I'm fine with that. I'm accepting that now. I know that it's part. I already accepted it though. It's part of the game. But now I know like I can come out with a drawdown easily, right? Like I take a five contract loss. It usually takes me about two contracts to get back to break even, and then it's like the loss was nothing, was gone, was nothing. Anyway, DJ, that's it. Okay, we're out. We're out. I'm not worried about this. All right, so it's just a small step in the right direction. It feels good. It feels good to be where I'm at right now, knowing that my model, like I have my model, like and it repeats. It fails, but it wins. Wins more than it loses. And when when it loses, it's me, right? I take responsibilities for that. Something that I did wrong. So I need to go back in the chart and see what I did wrong. I'm still in the beginning phase of this, so everything is like still new. But anyway, DJ, I'll catch you tomorrow. You know what it is. I'm the trader signing out. Good luck. Good trading. Happy hunting.